Here's what the back looks like. If you set the alarm, or you set the clock right here, the alarm is on this side. Set the alarm, bell alarm, on, off. So we'll toggle it on. And then you just set, let's see, go that direction. And let's see, right there. So let's try it again. So we'll set the alarm and get the small red hand to go all the way down to where you want it. So we got it set for like 4:35. Okay. Off. And it just takes a C battery, which I'm not going to store the battery in here, so you guys are have to get your own battery, because I don't like to leave these in here a lot. I don't want them to get corroded. If you guys need a battery, I guess let me know. If I got one, maybe I'll ship one with you with it. But most of the time I do batteries not included. I don't want to get corrosion in there. Forget about it, you know, for a while and have them corrode. There we go, strawberry shortcake. 2002. Super cool clock. If you're a strawberry shortcake fan, there it is.